You guys like what I did with the place? I thought I'd give you kids a chance to get me beat. So here to cut me down to size, actress Aubrey Anderson-Emmons, actress Quvenzhané Wallis, and their accomplice from the Chew, Chef Carla Hall.
All right, girls, let's show Bobby how he's going down.
I certainly wasn't expecting dodgeball today, that's for sure. Good shot, Aubrey. We have Aubrey from Modern Family and Quvenzhané, who is the youngest Oscar nominee in history.
He's agile for an old man, isn't he?
Okay, so you guys know how the show works?
Yeah, contestants cook food, and then we eat the food.
You know what happens at the end?
You lose. You lose.
Think you can do it?
With this team, these are my secret guns. Right, girls?
Pow, pow.
All right, well, let's see what you guys got.
Our first contender has cooked for world leaders. From Brooklyn, please welcome Chef Chris Scott.
Our next contender is not only a great chef, but she's also a grandma. From New Brunswick, Canada, Lynn Pelletier.
Grandmother.
Grandmother.
We got a special day today. Lots of kids ready to check out what you guys can do to make a single ingredient the star of your dish. And here's an ingredient that most kids love. Cheddar cheese.
Immediately, I start thinking, what can I do with cheddar cheese that's fun?
My first thought is grilled cheese. All good.
All right, guys, 20 minutes on the clock. Go.
My grandkids are the toughest critics. If they don't like something, they will not eat it. So I'm making grilled cheese with bacon and homemade potato chips.
So I'm making a cheddar cheese and chorizo quesadilla.
You've got 5 minutes.
Are you nervous?
Time's going by so fast. So I add my bacon, close my bread into the egg wash, into the hot pan.
It's getting hot in here.
Good luck, Lynn.
I take the popcorn cream, buzz it.
So, Chris, I want to feel like Aubrey taste some of that popcorn cream. She's not
Right.
sure she gets that.
It's just weird.
It's hot.
It's good.
Look at that.
That's delicious.
Good luck, Chef.
3 minutes left.
I flip my grilled cheese. I feel like I'm getting a nice color on them.
My concern is if that cheese melts.
I take my potato chips out, add my salt and onion powder.
I'm putting down the pickled slaw with the chorizo,
I don't see a lot of cheese on Chris's, though.
Don't forget the cheese, guys.
and of course, sprinkle the cheddar cheese on top.
20 seconds.
The cheese isn't really melted, but I have to get them on that plate.
I'm finished with popcorn cream.
10, 9,
I get my potato chips on the plate with a little bit of grated cheese on top.
3, 2, 1. All right, chefs, it's all gonna come down to what you did to make cheddar cheese the star of your dish.
Chef Lynn, tell us what you made.
I made bacon grilled cheese with homemade potato chips.
I love grilled cheese sandwiches, and I definitely like the bacon. But what I don't like is the cheese isn't melted.
I agree with Aubrey, and usually I don't like onion, but you put onion seasoning on the chips, and I really loved it.
I love the batter on the sandwich. Now, you did call it a grilled cheese. It's not really grilled.
If you move on, I think you should think about time management.
Chef Chris, tell us what you made.
I made a cheddar cheese and chorizo tostada with pickled slaw and popcorn cream.
I like spicy, so this chorizo was very delicious, but the cheese was sprinkled on it and not really the main part of it.
I like the popcorn cream sauce. I think that's my favorite part. But I don't think you put enough cheese either.
But there's really good balance with the acidity to the fat. It's really good. The girls and I have a really tough decision to make.
I mean, Chris definitely had a more sophisticated dish, but Lynn made cheddar the star.
We have reached a decision.
The chef that will be moving forward to Beat Bobby Flay is Chef Lynn.
Some days you win, some days you lose, but I'm still proud of the work that we're doing, helping the community. You just keep on going.
So Lynn, I love the bacon inside of the grilled cheese.
And the cheese is the star of the dish.
Now it's time for the real deal.
We want someone to beat him.
Boom, boom.
Congratulations, Lynn.
Thank you, chef.
What is your signature dish? What are we cooking tonight?
My signature dish is chicken fingers.
All right. Why don't you ladies give us some rules?
Kid experts will pick a winner in a blind taste test.
You only get 45 minutes. Your time starts now.
I take my chicken fingers out. They're a light brown. Looks perfect.
8 minutes.
8 minutes.
Wait.
I have no time to lose. So first, I plate my cranberry dipping sauce, my confetti slaw. Then I plate my 2 chicken fingers, and guess what? Shoot.
What happened, Lynn?
I overcooked my roux. Ooh. I have to start my roux all over again.
That's okay, girl. Shake it off, shake it off.
Chicken's out of the fryer. They're nice and golden brown. I give it a taste. The coconut is good flavor, but the breading is not sticking the way I want it to. At this point, I have to serve them. So I put the sauces down first, the mango and barbecue sauce, and the honey mustard with mint. Then I make this tower of chicken fingers, and I hold them together with some drink umbrellas.
We're not on the beach.
Lynn, you recovered with your roux?
Yep. I start slowly pouring my gravy in the pan with my roux, and I'm whisking it really, really quick.
Rock it out, girl!
I add the curd cheese to my French fries, and then I add some gravy to it.
10 seconds left.
Then I top it up with some more coconut flakes.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Time's up. Bobby's got chicken fingers and 3 sauces. So I look down at mine, and I'm feeling pretty good.
Bobby and Lynn, now it's time to meet your judges.
First up, he was a contestant on Rachel Ray's Kids Cook-Off, Chris Ekpiken.
Also from Rachel Ray's Kids Cook-Off, Sabrina Richard.
And chef and author, Taylor Moxey.
So judges, today's challenge was chicken fingers, so please start with the plate in front of you.
Chris, what do you think?
Well, the outside of the chicken is nice and crispy. I like the overall flavor of the chicken. The fries, I like the gravy on top. I believe would be like a poutine, but the curd, the melting aspect of it didn't really work out, but it was a nice effort.
I agree with Chris. I wish that the cheese curd could have been more melted, but the gravy, it's got a great peppery flavor to it, and the coating on the chicken, it stays on very nicely.
By itself, this sauce has a little bit of an overpowering vinaigrette taste to me, but I like the chicken and the sauce together.
All right, judges, please switch your plates.
So Taylor, what do you think?
I think the presentation was really cute and it was almost beach-like. The chicken is cooked nicely. For me, the breading could have been a little bit more firm, like the first dish.
With the mustard sauce, I felt that needed more mint. And I don't prefer coconut, but it was especially worked with the mango. It had a nice sweetness to it.
The barbecue sauce, it's phenomenal. I like making barbecue sauces. This sauce is what I think of a barbecue sauce tastes like. It's really good.
All right, judges, now it's time to take a vote.
I mean, these kids are very tough critics. They know what they're talking about. So fingers crossed.
And the winner is... Bobby Flay.
Okay, so Bobby Flay beat me. So what? Bye! I gave it my all. I came here. I had fun. Everything happens for a reason, right?